Total grooming in the palm of your hands that includes 5 attachments. Gentle bristle brush for daily cleansing. Brush with charcoal-infused bristles for deep scrubbing. Pre-shave prep brush to lift hairs. High-performance triple-head rotary shaver delivering a close result. Precision trimmer for those finishing touches on beards, mustaches, sideburns and more. Close shave. High-performance rotary shaver combines HyperFlex and PrecisionPlus technology that comfortably follows the contours of your face to shave any length of hair evenly. Achieve your look, your way. Ergonomic Design. The shaver's smart design fits comfortably in your hand, with a rubberized grip that gives you precision control. Blade type, stainless steel. Voltage. Worldwide 100% waterproof with WE Tech gives you the freedom to shave with foam, in the shower or dry. Plus, cleaning it is fast and easy. Max Lithium Power. The long-lasting lithium battery provides 45 minutes of cordless runtime after just 4 hours of charging. Top reviews from the United States. Seems to be great. I bought this as a gift for my husband, in the hopes that once he received it, he would leave my razors alone. He seems to like it very much, especially for someone who, upon opening the gift, told me that he didn't need a rechargeable shaver. It shaves smooth, no matter where he's at on his face and toward his neck.